Let's talk about how to create and implement a simple tagging structure in GoHighLevel. Imagine opening GoHighLevel and instantly knowing who downloaded your freebie, who showed up to your webinar, and who's ready to buy. That's the power of a clear tagging structure. And today I'll walk you through step by step how to set it up with ease. I'm Gary Daniel. If you're a wellness entrepreneur looking to grow a business that truly aligns with your purpose, then you're in the right place. Welcome to today's training. Today we're going to walk through how to create and implement a simple tagging structure in GoHighLevel so you can stay organized, personalize your communication, and grow your business with ease. This is so important. A tagging structure is a system of labels you apply to your contact to track their interests, actions, and relationship with your business. It helps you know who downloaded a freebie, identify active clients versus leads, and send targeted messages based on interest. Without a clear tagging structure, your customer relationship management system, or CRM, can get messy fast. You'll lose track of who's who, and your messages may miss the mark. You don't want that. So with a simple tagging system, you'll save time, increase engagement, and build trust. So let's walk through the steps. First, log into your GoHighLevel account. Go to the Contacts section. Then click on a contact or select multiple contacts. Then click Add Tag and type in your tag name. Press Enter to save the tag. You can also create tags automatically using workflows. You do this by going to Automation, then create a new workflow or edit an existing one. Add an action like add tag, then choose or create your tag. Here are some tags you may want to use. Download gut health freebie. Attended stress relief webinar. Or lead for nutrition coaching. Or active client or past client. Interested in mindset. Keep your tags short, clear, and consistent. So now it's your turn. Create a list of 5 to 10 tags that reflect your business needs. Add them manually or through workflows in GoHighLevel. Use them to segment your list and personalize your outreach. And if you want help setting this up or using AI to automate your wellness business, grab our free AI-powered wellness business starter kit. Then speak with us at purposetoprofit.org. See link in the description. So thanks for watching. If this was helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips on growing your purpose-driven wellness business. And remember, organization creates opportunity. So let's make your CRM work for you. Thank you for being here. Until next time,